This is how I made $2,519 day trading Nasdaq this week. I'm gonna break down the exact trade that I caught so you guys can see everything. But before I get started, I have a free Discord, link is in the description. People are getting payouts, bro. People are getting payouts based purely off the free educational that I have in the Discord. So link is in the description, man. Here's some more people. This guy here got funded. Here's another guy he got funded. Here's another guy he got funded. Here's another guy who got funded. So people are getting funded, bro, and getting payouts based purely off the free educational, which I have in my Discord. So link is in the description. If you are struggling in your trading journey, you guys need some help, link in the description, bro. Completely for free. But let's get started with the trade breakdowns, man. So I only took one trade this week. I also posted this live trade that I caught on my YouTube channel, so you guys can check it out. But I'm gonna break down the trade that I caught. So I made $602 per account. So I have 4 accounts. On Top Step here I have 4 accounts, and then so this is 2,400, and then I also have another Top Step account here which I'm using with less risk. So let me show you guys proof here also. This week here I made $108, so in total $2,519. So yeah, I'm trading it with less risk here, but yeah, let's just get started, bro. Let's just get started with the trade breakdown. So, and as you guys can see here, let me make it like this. Let me fix it in order right there. So $605, this is the trade that I caught. So I'm gonna break down the trade. So let's just get started, bro. Let's just get into the sauce, man. So I went to the daily chart. Coming into Thursday, this is what the daily oh yeah, I already bar replayed that, so let me, okay, here. So coming into Thursday, this is what the daily candle looked like, right? This is Wednesday's candle. So this is when I came to Thursday, this is what the previous daily candle look like. So directly when I see this, I know we are at all-time highs, and I can see that we have strong momentum, like to the upside. We are clearly trending up, Don't have to overcomplicate it. Okay, so bullish 4 hour. Let me go to the trading session so I can show you exactly how it looked like. So this is exactly how the 4 hour looked like when I came to the charts. So looking for it here, we are clearly making higher lows and higher highs. And now it looks like price for me that I can see that shorts are like, now the shorts are starting to creep in, okay? Because we are at all-time highs. We have been trending up for a long time. I can expect a retrace to happen. So that makes me want to also be willing to take shorts, okay? So of the daily, I only wanted to take longs, like demands. But now I went to the 4 hour, I can see that, okay, for this day, I can also take shorts. I'm expecting a retrace to happen, which I got here, but I'm expecting it to go deeper. So then I went to the 1 hour, and this is where it made me more confident to take shorts, because as you guys can see, we are clearly breaking the structure. Okay, this is a low, and this is a low. Okay, let me just explain here. This is a lower high because this high is lower than this high. This is a lower low because this low is lower than this low. Then this right here is a lower high because this high is lower than this high. And now with this candlestick here, we just broke down beneath this low, creating what? A lower low. So clearly now the market is telling me that I can clearly take shorts now, okay? Clearly take shorts, because when I go to the lower time frames, I know I can get a quick scalp in, you know, because I'm a scalper. So that's what makes me now more confident, okay? So that's what I saw on the 1 hour. Yeah, 15 minute, it didn't really say that much. Let me go like this right before I took the trade. Let me remove these ones. So 15 minute, just consolidation, not really telling me a lot. I can see that we have liquidity here, here, and here, but you know, I'm mainly focusing on this one right here. So 15 minute and 5 really not telling me that much consolidation. So I'm just waiting now for the open to happen. So this is market open right here. Boom. Price comes down, shoots down. And right now I'm just waiting for my supply to happen. So I'm just waiting for my supply to happen. And this here, I got it. Here I got my supply. All I waited for now is for price to go back up, tap the supply, and give me my entry confirmation. Here, price tap the supply. I will enter once the next candle breaks beneath the previous candle's low. So once the next candle break beneath here, that's where I'll be shorting directly. I'm not waiting for a candle close and nothing. I'm just shorting as soon as this candle breaks beneath here. And that's what I got, and the rest is history, bro. We just hit TP. I made $2,519 just off this trade. So yeah, and then price ended up dropping. It's consolidated a little bit and then it ended up dropping for the whole day. So as you guys see, I kept the analysis simple. I just kept it simple, man. I didn't overcomplicate it. I didn't do like nothing overcomplicating, you know. Went to the daily showed me bullish. Okay, then when I went to the 4 hour, the 4 hour showed me signs of bearish but still very bullish. Went down to the 1 hour, that's when I got the real sauce that I can now officially like get more confident looking for shorts, because we are clearly making lower lows and lower highs. 15-minute wasn't telling me that much, but it didn't need to tell me. All I needed now was here on the 1 minute, and I was just following the trend on the 1 minute. We broke structure here, creating lower highs, lower lows. I got my supply, boom boom boom, 1 to 2 done, 2,500 in $19 in 2 minutes. So that's it, bro. That's it. That was the trade breakdown. Yeah, the market this week was pretty slow. I only took one trade this week. Monday no setup, Tuesday no setup, Wednesday no setup, and Thursday this is when I got my setup. So I was willing to be patient. You have to be willing to be patient. Most of you guys are trading out of boredom. Just because you're bored or you haven't taken up trading a long time, you start placing random trades. Like, you cannot do that. That's not how you get profitable. You have to be willing to wait for your setup to occur. Okay, so this came on Thursday. 4 days I didn't trade, and then let's say if I didn't even get this trade on Thursday, let's say I didn't even get any trade this week, guess what? I wouldn't have traded. It's that simple. I wouldn't have traded. I can't trade risking capital. You guys throw away your money. You are throwing away your money on ugly setups. Why would you throw your money on ugly setup? If I give you, let's say you're risking $200 on a setup, or like $300 on a setup. If you had $300 bills, would you just throw it away like this? No, of course. You would wait for the perfect opportunity. There is no perfect opportunity, but by perfect opportunity, I mean like your system, you trade, not trading like the ugly setup. I mean like the A+ setups. You get what I mean? So that's why you have to be patient and have willing, man. I only took one trade this week. This was the trade that I caught, and it made me $2,519. You know, Friday I didn't take a trade. Yesterday I didn't take a trade. So yeah, yesterday was Friday. Market dumped, bro. The market dumped. Trump, man, he had to open his mouth, you know. He had to open his mouth. But yeah, so but this is good. I like this, because this means that now for the coming week we will have volatility, you know, because this week was slow. So I can expect maybe this coming week I might take like 2 or 3 setup trades instead of one trade. So of course, if the setup presents itself. If it doesn't present, I'm not gonna take it. So, but that was the trade breakdown that I caught, man. Made $2,519. Yeah, and this here right here, I have the 4 accounts here. So you just take 605 times 4 accounts. This is where I have them. And then also like on this account here where I made $108. So 2,519 in 2 minutes. So this was it, bro. And yeah, if you guys want to take the same trades as me, you guys are struggling in the trading journey, you guys need some extra help, you want to know exactly how I trade, then click the link in the description, bro, for the free Discord. I already showed you guys. People are getting payouts, people are getting funded based off free education, man, based off free education. So, but this was the only trade that I caught. Yeah, I don't have much else to say. Good week, slow week, but good week. And yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday or Tuesday. So let's see, whenever I get my setup, let's see. Other than that, hope you guys had a great trading week. Let me know in the comment section how your week went. If you did any mistakes or something, let me know in the comments. And yeah, bro, I'll see you guys in the Discord, man. Peace out.